Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaica Tourist Board recently announced that a new series of charter flights will be happening from Ecuador to Jamaica. The Tourist Board says it will be partnering with Maxi Travel, Ecuador's leading charter tour operator and a long-standing partner in this endeavor. This is an effort to boost visitor arrivals, diversify the country's tourism market, as well as to increase regional connectivity. Insurance credit agency AM Best has affirmed the financial strength rating of B++, which is good, and the long-term issuer credit rating of BBB+, which is also good for Sagicor Life Jamaica Limited. In a release, AM Best explained that the ratings are an indication of the insurance company's balance sheet strength, strong operating performance, neutral business profile, and the appropriate enterprise risk management. I quote, Sagicor has a very strong market position in Jamaica and a consistent history of revenue and earnings, which has led to balance sheet growth. Offsetting rating factors include an elevated country risk level in Jamaica, the rating agency stated. Now, passive income in the form of dividends is on the way for shareholders. Mayberry Group Limited has declared a dividend of 0.125 Jamaican cents per share payable on March 30, 2025 to shareholders on record as at May 14, 2025. The ex-dividend date is May 13, 2025. For the trading period ending April 28, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 6,082,705 units traded, representing 24.10% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,649,243 units traded, representing 10.5% of market sales volume. International food distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited with 2,276,260 units traded, representing 9.02% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On April 28, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $61.43 million purchased and US $63.18 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.76 per dollar, selling the US at $159.33 and buying the US at $157.57. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 80 cents per transaction, with selling at $115.14 and buying at $114.34. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.78 in profits, with selling at $211.51 and buying at $206.73. For our credit report tip of the day, a good credit score doesn't just save you money, it creates more possibilities. Use it wisely, use it intentionally, and watch your standard of living rise step by step. Your credit score is not just a number. It is an asset that, when leveraged correctly, can fund your dreams. So here are some ideas. You can consider refinancing existing loans to free up more monthly cash flow. Or you could think about accessing business lines of credit to start or grow a business. Now, when you are rebuilding something from nothing, moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, many women over the age of 45 quietly wonder if they've missed their window to create real wealth. But here's the truth. It is not too late and you're not too far behind. Financial resilience doesn't come from a perfect past. It comes from a powerful decision to start where you are and move forward with purpose. Today can be the day you stop surviving and start building. Here are some suggestions. You could join a financial accountability circle because growth thrives in community. Or you could consider learning new money management technology. Apps and platforms can simplify saving, investing, and tracking. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.